Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add text or type text on a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file and select Tools option. Now select Edit PDF option and here you will find this Add Text option. Click here and click on your page where you want to type. Now type text. Also you can paste your text and see this. I'll increase this text box. Paste text. I'll move it. Now press enter and again type here your text. Write text. Also you can text existing text box. Select edit text option. Also here you can type your text. Type text. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.